Welcome to the sound of Bitcoin. Please plug your earphones or headphones to continue. As you can tell by now, sound is one of the most important things in user experience, and it will be even more important in the near future. If you don't believe me, ask Siri or Alexa. In fact, studies show that by 2022, most users will be interacting with their devices without even looking at their screens. Sound will be the new touch. Close your eyes and let me show you what I'm talking about. This is my sounds drawer. Let me find the ones we need right now. Just a second. Oh my God, Garth! What the hell are you doing inside my wardrobe, man? Are you nuts? This guy is going to kill me. What a freak! Take a listen to this voice message a friend of mine sent me. You recognize him, right? Yeah, that lovely idiot. That's because sound is all about recognition. And this same principle applies to the sound of brands and services. Let me turn on my computer. Just a second. This is a video compilation I've made, but please keep your eyes closed and just listen. I'm loving it. That's my lawyer calling. It seems like we've infringed on several copyright sounds here. Yeah, Jack. I'll talk to him later. Well, I bet you've recognized all those brands with your eyes closed, or at least not seeing them. Now, please open your eyes and watch this. That sucks, right? Feels like there's something missing. Let's watch it again. That's right! Sound completely changes our perception. It increases the impact of every visual communication by 1,200%. It adds memorability. It enhances the user experience. It creates emotional bonds between brands and users. But that's not all. Sound is even more important when we're talking about money. It has always been. Please close your eyes again and let me prove my point. Did you know that the sound the ATMs do when delivering your money isn't even necessary? This sound was designed to make us feel secure when we hear it, to make us trust the machine we're interacting with, to make us feel like our money is on its way and everything is working fine. Yes, I've got an ATM here at my house. Please don't tell the police. The thing here is Bitcoin is completely silent. How can that be? Not even a sound when interacting with your crypto? When sending or receiving them? When making transactions? Shame on us. We are the Bitcoiners. The revolutionary community that represents the future of the economy. We can't stay silent. This is a problem we need to start solving right now because sound is already crucial for fintech brands. In the last year, MasterCard, Visa, and HSBC have developed full audio branding strategies, including sonic logos, transaction sounds, and custom libraries. We, the future of all currencies, can't be left behind by these old brands. Let's take a listen to what they've done. This is how a MasterCard transaction sounds like. This is how an Apple Pay transaction sounds like. This is how Visa sounds like when making a payment. And this is how a Bitcoin transaction sounds like. Well, Those crickets are obviously not a transaction sound. And I don't know about you, but I think this is unacceptable. If we want to get this community bigger and bigger, we need to make people feel safe in their transactions. We need a sound that represents us, that catches the attention of anyone listening to it, and creates an emotional bond between Bitcoiners and their Bitcoins. Bitcoin's transaction sound could be the first step for all these amazing things. Bitcoin has grown through a whole community, and what we need right now is to gather that community to design its sound and change the history of Bitcoin forever. Help us spread the word. Tell your friends. Share this site with people. Let's do it all together like the amazing community we are. Now, please open your eyes and sign up here to get this project started. Oh, Jack, leave me alone, man. I'm in the middle of something here. If I ignored you on the video call, what makes you think I would want to talk to you on the bloody phone?